Do you want to boost your employees' health and team spirit, as well as increase your company image through social commitment? To achieve a strong media presence and take advantage of a good networking opportunity? You can achieve all this with your participation in UNICEF's major cycling event in Crans, Montana at the beginning of June. Riders of all ages will have an unforgettable experience on road bikes, mountain bikes and e-bikes on 4 different routes and collect donations at the same time. At Cycling for Children, the participants will give all they have and run a fundraising campaign for UNICEF. Their engagement will help save many of the 15,000 children around the world who die of preventable causes every day. How can you support UNICEF as a company? Become a sponsoring partner of Cycling for Children, or take part in the event with your employees and families as a team. In the end, a great weekend awaits you in the mountains. Give it all you have for the children of this world, and get in touch with us.